wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 6 best Ozone laundry systems. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. While the waterlux commercial may sound like it's only suitable for use in professional laundromats, it's just as effective for in-home use. Regardless of where you hook it up, it can deliver impressive cleaning power in a compact package. It's backed by a 2-year warranty and sports an attractive minimalist design. However, it is on the expensive side. At number 5, it's not capable of cleansing every single load of laundry you run, but the A2Z Aqua 6 multi-purpose can work wonders on hand-washed garments. It has 15 different settings, allowing you to tailor its output to the task you're dealing with at the time. It's lightweight and portable and ideal for dental hygiene, but it's not as powerful as other models. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Washit Ionic doesn't just improve your threads, it can also boost your septic tank. Since it spares a lot of the beneficial microorganisms that detergents kill, the good bacteria population will grow over time, reducing the likelihood of clogs and overflows. It works well on sheets and is suitable for top and front loaders. It makes towels more absorbent. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Ozone laundry systems, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. The activated oxygen in the greentech purewash Pro cleans up the drum lining of your washing machine over time. This not only keeps everything neater inside, it will also extend the life of your appliance and save you money down the line. You can use the treated water for mopping, and it's perfect for homes with infants. Changing the filter is simple. At number 2, rural users should consider the ecoinventions ecowasher Plus, as it comes with a magnetizer to soften hard water. It can help with problems like graying, sediment buildup, and coarsening fabric. Your clothes won't just be cleaner, they'll also be more comfortable. It kills mold and mildew and brightens colors. It's suitable for use with well systems. And taking the top spot on our list, the O3 Pure Professional Eco makes converting to a detergent-free laundry room as painless as possible. Installing the unit can be done in as little as 10 minutes, and all of the components are replaceable with plug-in connections to ensure maintenance is a breeze. Quad-check valves prevent leaks, and it draws less than 45 watts. It's good at eliminating odors. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Ozone laundry systems, or simply click beneath this video.